today's video, I'm sharing you a quick tip on how to make your home refreshing. So let's begin. First, you have to be on the mood. If you have decided to make a refreshing home, you should be in the mood to do all the steps, because it takes a day or more in order for you to complete the task. Rearrange furniture. Arrange your furniture properly and make it clean and proportioned. That goes well with your available space. Purge. Purging your items makes a lot of difference from your clothes to the things that you use daily. Do purge every quarter to check if there are new items that you need to give out to someone else. Mirror. Mirror gives an illusion of a bigger space. It doubles the size of your space when placed and properly arranged. When selecting a mirror, it should go well with your interiors and its purpose. Add plants. Plants give a natural beauty in your home. It gives a refreshing look and also helps eliminate bad odors. Aside from that, it makes boost your mood and makes your home look fresh. Curtains. Make sure your windows are clean and there should be no obstruction from both inside and outside. It's good to have a sunlight coming inside your home, and also it's good that both sunlight and air will come inside your house. For your window treatment, select a light material for your curtains. Neutral paint. Using a neutral color can make your space look big. It gives an illusion of a wider space. Use light neutral paints such as white, beige, or light gray when selecting colors. Home fragrance. Use citrus. Use a scented candle, an air spray, or anything that can make your home or space smell good. Just be sure that you choose a citrus fragrance or flavor. Citrus has a refreshing smell and is good to feel and smell good when at home. Last but not the least, you have to relax. Relax after a day's work. So let's recap. So be in the mood, rearrange furniture, purge, mirror, add plants, curtains, neutral paint, citrus fragrance. So you have to take note of those things. When you have to repurpose your space, ask help from the people who knows it better than you. When in doubt, ask for a professional help. You can always ask an interior designer. I hope you guys find these tips on how to make your home refreshing. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!